If your LXn dish machine is equipped with a second-level rack accessory, ensure the rack guide and second-level rack are in place before attempting to wash wear on 2 levels. To install the second-level rack kit, insert the rack guide into the rack track with the rack stop bumpers pointing up and closest to the back of the machine. Place the white wire rack onto the rack guide. Then, place the silverware inserts into the wire rack. A standard plastic flat or peg rack should be used for the lower rack. Load plates and silverware in the top rack, and bowls, pans, and other low-profile ware in the lower rack. Make sure items in the upper and lower racks are evenly spaced. Do not overload or stack items. For easier loading, you may pull the white wire rack forward until it hits the stop. To start a wash cycle, push both racks into the machine. Close the door and press the play button. Only use the Hobart LXn second-level wire rack on the rack guide to ensure best wash performance.